Hi kids, this is teacher Vidya. My aim is to make you all to describe the key features of the Ajanta paintings. This is one of the wall paintings found in the Ajanta caves. The person in the paintings looks like a prince or a rich person since he is wearing lot of ornaments and jewels. He is surrounded by many people who are probably his attendants. He is one of the followers of Buddha called the Batmabani, meaning the one who holds the lotus. The colors for these paintings are all of natural and made from herbs and colored stones and pimples. The different shades highlighted the expressions and poses of the human figures. These paintings were made on the walls of caves after smoothing the surface with a layer of clay and cow dung and leveling this with fine white clay or gypsum. The outline of images was made in black, brown, or pink, and then colors were filled in using a brush made of animal hair. This style of painting is known as fresco. It is a technique of mural painting executed upon freshly laid lime plaster. Colored stones and vegetables ground and mixed with glue as well as lapis lazuli was used for coloring the paintings. The paintings are meant to show the life of Buddha. We also get to know the type of ornaments and clothes people wore, kind of animals, birds, and plants of the past. The artist may have used oil lamps or some object to reflect natural light inside the caves. The camera flash has caused damage to the paintings. That is why clicking pictures is not allowed in the caves. Probably people also touch these paintings to feel them. This might damage the paintings. Let me explain the features of the Indian epics. We will learn about some of the Indian epics. The author of the Ramayana is Valmiki. The main character of this epic is Rama, the prince of Kosala, believed to be the incarnation of God Vishnu. The author of the Silabadigaram is Ilango Adigal, where the main characters were Kovalan, a trader in Pugar, and his wife Kannagi. The Ramayana and Mahabharata were written in Sanskrit, whereas Silabadigaram and Manimegalai were written in Tamil. The epics are stories of men, women, and their gods and goddess. They tell us about the society of the past, the beliefs of people, as well as the problems people faced. In the Ramayana, Rama fought to free his wife from the evil king Ravana. In the Silapadigaram, Kovalan's wife Kannagi, the warrior who fought all evils, destroys the city of Madurai because her husband was framed and unjustly killed by the king. These are to show the morals of good winning over evil and truth over dishonesty. They were probably written to teach people to be honest and fight against injustice. In these epics, Satriyas are the warriors and kings were shown powerful. Let me describe the key features of the literary compositions of ancient India. Let us learn about books written on various subjects in ancient India. The king of Varanasi went to the forest to look for the mango tree. He wanted the mangoes for himself, and was worried that the monkeys will eat them all. And he ordered his men to capture all the monkeys. The monkey king wanted to save his group because it is the duty of a leader to look after his group. The king of Varanasi felt sad because he was responsible for the death of a dutiful king. The main feature of these stories is to give a message based upon the values such as honesty, truthfulness, being kind, to follow rules to bring about harmony and peace in the society. These books were written to give the people messages of moral values such as duty towards one's group, sacrifice, and kindness towards simple stories. They explain principles of social and moral conduct. These stories also tell us about the past society and people's beliefs. For example, in this story, we know that kings were powerful, that the people believed in cremating the dead and in an afterlife with the gods. We learn about the developments in science and mathematics. For example, the work of Aryabhata, which laid the basis for mathematics that we learn even today. He invented zero in the subject of mathematics. The great mathematician Aryabhata calculated the value of pi at 3.1416. Many ancient books on medicine are still read by scholars today for the practice of Ayurveda. We know about the epics as they were first learnt by heart and passed on orally to the next generation. They were written as books during the period of the Gupta dynasty. The Puranas were written in a simpler language for everyone to understand the stories of the Vedas. While the stories of Buddha have been recorded in the Jataka tales, these stories are an important part of our past that helps us to know how the society functioned at that time. They also have messages on good conduct which can be applied even today. Hence, it is important to preserve these stories. The stories of the past were told orally. They were also enacted in plays and songs, and dances were composed to tell the stories. For example, the dance from Kathakali in Kerala is performed to tell the stories of the Ramayana and Mahabharata. There were also paintings based on these stories. For example, the stories of Buddha are shown in the Ajanta paintings and once sculpted on the panels of stupas. We know that there were changes made in the stories since there are many versions of the stories in different parts of the Indian subcontinent. These are interesting ways of narrating the stories which many people can understand and easily remember. A disadvantage is that there may be many additions or changes to the story based on regional beliefs and values, leading to many versions of the same story. With so many versions added, we cannot track where the changes came from. Thus, it becomes difficult to know which the original story form is. Since the stories were passed down from generation to another orally for many years, it's difficult to identify the original versions. By the time these books were recorded in the written form, there could have already been many changes to the original stories. Hence, even the written books we use today may not be original. Also, when the books were rewritten, There could have been more changes to the story, as the author may have included his or her own views intentionally or unintentionally, and there is no method to check whether this happened or not. Thank you so much, kids.